On question 21, I'm going to solve by using the quadratic formula. So my first step is to identify my a, b, and c. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 8, and c is equal to 15. So I want to plug those in. Now I want to simplify. So x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 4 over 2. So the square root of 4 is 2. And now because my square root went away, I can actually combine these into the two distinct answers. So x is equal to negative 8 plus 2 over 2, and x is equal to negative 8 minus 2 over 2. So this is negative 6 over 2, which is negative 3. And this is negative 10 over 2, which is negative 5. So my two answers are negative 3 and negative 5. Now, if they didn't specifically tell you to use the quadratic formula, you could actually solve this by factoring, and it would be a lot faster. So you could just put the two parentheses, the x and the x, and what two numbers multiply together to give you 15, but add together to give you 8, and that is plus 3 and plus 5. So x is equal to negative 3, x is equal to negative 5. So factoring is a lot faster than the quadratic formula. However, like we've seen, factoring will not always get you the answer, whereas the quadratic formula can always get you the answer.